Okay, let's check the other question. 2.1. It's saying given 0, 7, 12 are the third, fourth, and fifth terms of the quadratic. So this is term number 3, term number 4, term number 5. So let me draw that box. So term number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we are given from term number 3, 7, and it's 12. Okay, so now they're saying what? Calculate the first term of the sequence. Okay, not a problem. So I'll say this is x, this is y. Okay, so now let's check. Our first term is x and our second term is y. Okay, but it says 2 marks. Okay, so now I'll do this thing. Y minus x, 0 minus y, which is minus y. This minus that, which is 7. This one, 12 minus, which is 5. 7 minus to be 7 plus y. 5, which is minus 2. And these two will give us what? Minus y into minus y. So in this case, we're looking for x. Okay, so I'll show you in 2 ways. So we already know that our second difference must be what? Negative 2. Okay, so now it means that this 7 plus y must also be equals what? Negative 2. Therefore y must be what? Negative 9. Okay, that's nice. That's the first one. The second one, this minus y into y minus x must be equals what? Negative 2 again. Then we already know that our y is what? So it's negative 9 minus x, which is equals to negative 2. So we'll have positive plus 9 plus x, which is equals to negative 2. So our x will be equals to negative 20. Okay. Therefore, since they're looking for term number 1, which means t1 is equals to 20. We're looking for term number 1, right? Calculate the first term of the sequence. Okay. Let's check another way maybe that we can apply. Okay, I'll take this thing again. Copy and paste. Let's try and paste it. Okay. And say okay, so now let me erase this part. Okay, so term number 5 minus term number 4 will give us what? 5, and then this one will give us what? 7 minus 0, which is 7. Okay, and then we know now we'll have 5 minus, which is minus 2. Okay, so we're also expecting to get what? Minus 2 this side. Okay, so when we're moving to the right, what are we doing with this negative 2? We're subtracting. So when you're moving to the left now, we should add 2. So 2 plus 7 will give us what? 9. Because 9 minus 2 will give us what? 7. Okay, So in this case, term number 3 minus term number 2 must give us what? 9. Okay, so what is it? 0 minus something must give us 9, which means this 9 is negative. Okay, let's go back then. This would be what? Minus 2. So what is 2 plus 9? 11. Okay, so now let's check. Minus 9 minus something must give us 11. Minus 9 minus term 1 must give us what? 11. Therefore, term number 1 is equals to minus 20. Therefore, this is what? Minus 20. Therefore, T1 is equals to minus 20. And the same. Alright, so now let's check our next question. They're saying determine what? The general term. 2.2. 2.2, the general term says Tn is equals to an squared plus bn plus c. So now let's check. Our 2a will be equals to negative 2. Then our 3a plus b will be equals to 11. Our a plus b plus c will be equals to the first term, which is negative 20. Okay, so now let's solve. A will be equals to negative 1. Our a is negative, therefore our graph is set. We'll have maximum. Okay, so our b will be equals to 14. Okay, then our a is negative 1 plus 14 plus c, which is equals to negative 20 minus 20 minus 14 plus 1 is negative 33. So c is negative 33. Therefore, Tn is equals to negative n squared plus 14n minus 33. Remember, you can verify your answer, right? Okay, so now let's check our next question. 2.3. Determine which term of the pattern will have the highest value. Highest value, the what? The maximum. Why are they saying so? Because our a is less than 0. Our graph is set, so we'll have what? Maximum. Okay, 2.3. So how to do that question? 2.3, we need what? This formula, n is equals to negative b over 2a. Therefore, n is equals to, substitute 14 over 2 into negative 1. Therefore, our n is equals to 7. Therefore, now let's look for term number 7, because this is the position of our, this is the position of what? The maximum. Maximum term, or the maximum value in this pattern. Okay, so OECN, we put 7 squared plus 14 into 7 minus 33. Okay, let's substitute. Minus 7 squared plus 14 into 7 minus 33, which is 16. So the maximum value is 16. 16 is the highest value in this pattern. Okay. Okay, so now our last question. It says the first 4 terms of a quadratic sequence are 9, 19, 33, 51. Okay, so the first one, it says write down the next two terms of the quadratic pattern, this quadratic sequence. Okay, now let's find our difference. 19 minus 9, which is 10. 33 minus 19, which is 14. 51 minus 33, which is 18. And our second difference is 4. So we know which line we have 4. Okay. So 4 plus 18 is what? 4 is 4 plus 18. 4 plus 18. 4 plus 18 is what? 22. Okay, so 22 plus 51 is 73. So the first term is 73. Okay, so now let's check. 4 plus 22 is 26. 26 plus 73 is 99. Okay, so those are our terms. Okay, now the next question says determine the general term, the nth term. So Tn is equals to a n squared plus bn plus c. So in this case, our 2a will be equals to 4. Our 3a plus b will be equals to 10. Our a plus b plus c will be equals to 9. So in this case, divide by 2, our a is 2. And then 3 into 2 plus b, which is equals to 10. Therefore, our b is 4. 2 plus 4 plus c, which is equals to 9. Therefore, our c is 9 minus 6, which is 3. Therefore, our equation, our general term is 2n squared plus 4n plus 3. Okay, now let's check our next question. Our next question says what? Prove that all the terms of the quadratic sequence are odd. Okay, odd. I think I once wrote something about odd. Yeah, remove it. Okay, I remove it. Okay. Okay, I'll just do this thing. For odd, 2.3. I'll use the general term to prove that Tn is 2n squared plus 4n plus 3. So now I'll do this thing. I see a common factor on these two terms, the first two terms. So I'll take out a common factor of 2, then I'll be left with n squared plus 2n plus 3. So now, what do you notice? You notice that this is a multiple of what? Of 2. So if it's a multiple of 2, therefore it's what? It's an even number. To be an even number, since it's a multiple of 2. What do you notice with this 3? 3 is an odd number. Okay, So now since 3 is an odd number, if we say a even number plus odd number, we'll always get what? Odd numbers. You see that? Because when you're looking for term whatever term that you'll be looking for, if maybe we're looking for term number 10, I'll say, or you see n, you put 10, then we'll multiply by 2. If you multiply by 2, your answer will be even. Then you're adding an odd number, therefore the final answer is what? Is odd. So in this case, all the terms would be what? Odd. For n is an element of what? The natural numbers. Okay.